Unlock a secure and anonymous way to pay for anything online with PaysafeCard in just a few simple steps. First, you need to get your hands on a PaysafeCard. You can easily purchase them from a vast network of sales outlets worldwide. Think convenience stores, gas stations, supermarkets, and even many kiosks. Just ask for a PaysafeCard at the checkout. Once you have your card, you'll find a 16-digit PIN printed on it. This is your key to making payments. Keep this PIN safe and secure, just like cash. Now, let's say you want to buy something online. Navigate to the checkout page of your chosen website, look for the payment options, and select PaysafeCard. You'll then be prompted to enter your 16-digit PIN. Carefully type it into the designated field. And that's it. Your payment will be processed instantly and securely without needing any bank account or credit card details. A great tip for managing your spending is to only load the amount you intend to spend onto the PaysafeCard. This way, you're pre-budgeting your online purchases and avoiding impulse buys. You can also combine multiple PaysafeCards for larger purchases. Simply enter the PIN for each card sequentially during the checkout process until the total amount is covered. Remember, PaysafeCard offers a fantastic layer of security and anonymity for your online transactions. Enjoy your secure shopping.